Hello everyone. We'll be continuing with chapter 2 microorganisms friend and foe. We are on the last topic, nitrogen cycle. I'll be covering nitrogen fixation as well. Now you people know that our atmosphere consists of 78% of nitrogen. It is one of the key constituents of many living organisms, and it also constitutes chlorophyll, nucleic acids, minerals and many such things. So you might have wondered why we are using nitrogen on a large scale and why the composition of nitrogen remains as such or constant in the atmosphere. It is due to this nitrogen cycle. What is this basically? What is this nitrogen cycle? It is the cyclic flow of nitrogen between the biotic and abiotic components of the biosphere. Now, to begin with, there is 78% of nitrogen in the atmosphere. Now, this is atmospheric nitrogen. Plants cannot use this atmospheric nitrogen as such. They need to convert it into more usable forms, or they need to convert it into nitrites and nitrates. So, this is atmospheric nitrogen. They need to be converted. There are two ways of converting atmospheric nitrogen into nitrites or nitrates. First is through lightning, and the next is by nitrogen fixing bacteria like Rhizobium bacteria. Nitrogen fixing bacteria, what does it do? It fixes the atmospheric nitrogen and converts it into compounds of nitrogen जो easily plants absorb कर सकें, right? So this is also called nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixing bacteria is Rhizobium bacteria, which lies in the root nodules of leguminous plants. It fixes atmospheric nitrogen and converts it into nitrogenous compounds. ठीक है, अब ये nitrogenous compounds are easily absorbed by plants. Plants use this nitrogenous compound to synthesize plant proteins. Now, from plants are eaten by animals. Animals also have now some content of nitrogen. After the death and decay of plants and animals, what happens is the nitrogenous waste in both of them, some part of nitrogenous waste is again converted into compounds of nitrogen in soil, which can be reused by plants, and some of it is again converted into gaseous nitrogen by denitrifying bacteria. See, I'll explain again. Atmospheric nitrogen, it is converted into compounds of nitrogen by either by lightning or by nitrogen fixing bacteria such as Rhizobium or Azobacter. Once it is converted into nitrogenous compounds, it is taken by plants. Plants again use this nitrogenous compound to synthesize plant proteins. Plants are eaten by animals. Now, after the death and decay of plants and animals, some part of the nitrogenous waste is converted by fungi and bacteria into nitrogenous compounds in the soil only to be reused again, and some of it is converted by bacteria, denitrifying bacteria, and some of the nitrogenous waste is converted into gaseous nitrogen, which escapes into the atmosphere. So, there is cyclic flow. Atmosphere से हमने nitrogen ली and we end with atmospheric nitrogen only. This is why the composition of nitrogen is fixed in the atmosphere. I'll cover nitrogen fixation also. This was nitrogen fixation. What happens is nitrogen fixing bacteria like Rhizobium or Rhizobacter, they live in the root nodule of leguminous plants. वो क्या करते हैं, atmospheric nitrogen को convert कर देते हैं. Atmospheric nitrogen is converted into compounds of nitrogen. ये कौन करता है? ये बैक्टीरिया करता है, Rhizobium bacteria. It lives on the root nodules of leguminous plants. Leguminous plants की जो roots होते हैं उसके ऊपर रहता है Rhizobium. अब leguminous plants कौन से होते हैं? Peas and beans. And leguminous plants and bacteria, they share a symbiotic relationship. What is symbiotic relationship? ये जो bacteria है ये plant के लिए compounds, atmospheric nitrogen को compounds of nitrogen में convert करता है, and in return this bacteria gets food from the plant. So it is a relationship. This is known as symbiotic relationship. What is symbiotic relationship? Basically, both are benefited. Bacteria and the plant both are benefited in this relationship. relationship. Bacteria, it converts atmospheric nitrogen for the plant into compounds of nitrogen जो plant absorb कर लेता है, and in return this plant gives food to the bacteria. I hope this session is quite clear, and still if you have problem we can discuss in the Google Meet or your doubt session. Bye, have a great day.